My name's Stephen Lowry, and in 1985 I was a victim of a bomb attack in a nightclub that I worked in, which resulted in the loss of my right hand. After I lost my hand, then I was sent to Musgrave Park Hospital in Belfast, and they issued me with a body-powered prosthetic arm, which was good in its day, worked very well. However, over the years of wearing it, it started to affect my shoulders and my posture and everything else. They then decided to give me my first Myoelectric hand. After a while of using the Myo hand, I was asked by the hospital to start trying some of the first multi-articulated hands that were on the market. So, needless to say, I agreed to do that there, and it turned out back then the technology in it just wasn't there, and they were absolutely rubbish. After using the multi-articulated hand for quite some years and getting to know the engineers who designed it, they then in turn asked me to try the COVVI Hand, and that has made such a life-changing difference. Having been asked to test the hand and use the hand, there were lots of little things I found with the hand at the very beginning which weren't right, and I was able to give that feedback back to the engineers, who were able to change everything in the hand, send it back to me, test it again, and that process went on for a long time to the stage we're at now. And I'm hoping I'm still having a good input on the hand, on how it works and what it does, what we need as a patient and what we don't need as a patient. As things stand using the COVVI Hand, it's now part of me. And it works perfectly, works flawlessly. I have a great reputation with the team of designers and engineers here who can change anything for me at really a blink of an eye.